If you want to know how to fix error code 109 in Roblox, this video has everything you need to know completely covered. Method 1. Check the Roblox server status. The first thing you should do to fix this error code is to check if the server of Roblox is up or down. Sometimes, Roblox throws many errors due to its server down. Method 2. Power cycle your router. Unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first, wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Method 3. Disable the antivirus. Method 4. Disable VPN. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox.